Are you speaking their language? Welcome to your June video tutorial. Now, I'm not talking about whether you're communicating with someone in English or Spanish or Italian. What I'm referring to is, are you communicating with someone in their preferred style? We all experience the world through our senses, and we generally have one or two preferred senses, and this tends to be reflected in our language. For example, people who have a visual preference will often say things like, "I see what you mean," or "let's get some perspective on this," or "he takes a dim view of that." And people who experience the world through sound, more auditorily, will often say things like, "that rings a bell," or "that really resonates with me," or "I hear what you're saying," or "tell me more." And also people can experience the world more through touching and feeling. This is the kinesthetic sense. So for those people, they may say things like, "I can't just get a handle on it," or "we need to get a grip around this," or "let's put a firm foundation in place," or "I'm not really feeling it." And then you also have people who experience the world in an auditory digital way. I know this is a bit of a clunky term, but it refers to those people who are very much process driven. So they may say things like, "we need a process for this," or "what's the rationale behind this," or "I'll consider this," or "what is the procedure?" So if you communicate to them using their words or their phrases, or other ones that are in their preferred way of communicating, then it's much more easy to get rapport with them, and you'll be on the same page, so to speak, speaking their language, if you like. See you next month. Thank you very much.